Hello everyone, welcome to this registration video where I'm going to be showing you how to register for English 1301 and 1302. So to start out, we're going to go to sections.app.texastech.edu, and what you're going to see here is an open classes course page. What you're going to do first is select which term you would like to see, which right now I have fall 2019, and then the campus is going to be Lubbock TTU. And then I said, no, I'm not a visiting undergrad student. The subject that you're going to want to select is English. And then the classes that you want to select is either 1301 or 1302. And then after you do all that, you're going to hit Get Class Info. So right now you can see there are a lot of unavailable seats in most of the courses because the fall semester starts August 26th. So you're going to select only available seats. And that will show us the sections that we can take. What you're going to notice is this little link, this red icon, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of these, and what you can see is this is a lecture class type, and when you scroll down you can see the discussion sections that are linked to the lecture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of these that I think will fit my schedule best. So I'm going to copy this CRN code, and then I'm going to leave this page and go to raterlink.ttu.edu. What I want to find is under the MyTech tab is registration. Then I'm going to hit Schedule Builder. When you get to Schedule Builder, you're going to hit Continue, select the term, which is Fall 2019 for me. I'm going to go to the Select Course search engine, and I'm going to just copy that CRN code in there. And you can see that already auto-populated English 1301. It's going to add it to my schedule over here. And then at the very bottom, after I decide that I think I want to take this course, I'm going to see the CRN codes under here. You're going to find two CRN codes. You need to have both of these for registration. So to go and register for these courses, you're going to go back to RaterLink. Under the Registration tab, go to Add or Drop Courses, and keep your Schedule Builder tab open because we're going to need to go back to that. After you're on Banner, you're going to go to Register for Classes, Fall 2019, and then you're going to add another CRN. You need both of these available for both of the CRNs that we're going to add to our summary. Go back to Schedule Builder. Copy the first CRN for the lecture, go back to Banner, go ahead and paste that one, and then go back to Schedule Builder again, copy the discussion, and go and paste that in Banner. And then you're going to simply add to summary. And you can see under here that it has added it to my course schedule for the fall. All I would need to do is hit submit. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching this video.